are about to go on the exactly 200-foot tall hypercoaster, Mako. This goes 73 miles an hour, and it's the tallest and fastest in Orlando. Yeah, it looks very, very good, so let's jump on. I'm going to have to compare us to Silver Star since they are basically the same layout of coaster, just one's a bit taller. I believe this is better than Silver Star because I like the theming around this part of the area, and also it's airtime galore. The way it skims across the lake as well. Silver Star, you do go through the car park, but it doesn't just have that same magic as Mako, because it's absolutely amazing, this ride, since you can see the whole of SeaWorld from above. You can see all the coasters we're going to do, but yeah, Silver Star is definitely not as good as this, so yeah, my favourite coaster here so far.